You didn't have to cut me off. Right. I can never happen that we were nothing.